In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to get your Whatnot QR code. This is essential for streamlining access to your profile, store, or live streams, making it easier for others to find and interact with you. Simply head to your social Whatnot app. You want to tap onto Account on your bottom right. Now onto your profile page, head to Change Password to access Whatnot website. Now just cancel this option and navigate onto QR code. Now this is your account QR code. You can simply just screenshot it. Now if you send it to someone, they just have to simply long hold on it and select on Open in Whatnot. This simplifies customer engagement by enabling seamless navigation to specific products or sales. Well, that's how easy it is to get your Whatnot account QR code. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.